guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to clear your Facebook watch history. In this video I am going to show you. So this method I am going to show you in my Android phone. So if you are using iPhone or if you are using your Facebook on your desktop web browser, you can also try this same method. So just open the Facebook and in the top right side corner of your screen you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it, scroll down and find out settings and simply open it. Okay, like this. In the settings guys, scroll down. Here you can get the option your activity. In this section you can get the option activity log. Just tap and open it. Okay, like this. And then here you can get this type of interface. Just swipe this option on your left side of your screen like this. Okay, here you can get the option videos watch. Just tap on it. Okay, like this. Here you can get the all videos which you have recently watched, as you can see guys, by date, by time. So if you want to clear this watch history, at the top you can get the option clear video watch history. If you want to clear this, just tap on it. Okay, that's it. So this is the way to clear your Facebook watch history. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.